Hello everyone, it's Kathy here. I'm just quickly hopping onto this video to say that when we have extremely cold weather and freezing temperatures, it's even more important to, if you can, offer birds and wildlife a clean, fresh supply of water. You often find in freezing temperatures that natural water sources for them are either dangerous or inaccessible and frozen over. So providing them with somewhere where they can drink and also clean their feathers off is so important if you're able to. Ideally, you'd want to offer water both at ground level for wildlife and at a higher level for the birds who seem to prefer that. But obviously not everybody can do that, and just offering some fresh water is far better than offering none. With ground level water, obviously you do need to just make sure that wildlife couldn't fall in and get into difficulty. So either have it nice and shallow or some way for wildlife to climb out if they actually got in. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I shall leave you to watch the rest of the video of the starlings drinking and bathing. Bye for now.